So we're headed to a condo. It says the thermostat is missing. Got a T4 just in case. I'm prepared. But we gotta go find it. We're gonna head up there now. We gotta go find the unit. One nice thing about working where I'm at, you get to look at the beach. These are the best beaches in the world. Well, that makes more sense. It's under renovation. There's the bracket. I'm gonna look around just to see if I can't find it. If it's not hidden somewhere. Everywhere I've been lately is freaking smoke detector batteries. Chirping. So I got approval. I'm gonna replace this thermostat, but this won't fit here. It's pretty open. There's a gap here to get through this wall. So I'm gonna put the thermostat here. It's gonna be above this light switch, so I gotta make sure I don't hit anything. But I'm gonna put it here and move it. So that's what's gonna happen. So this is before. And this is after. Always test for operations. I'm especially doing it here because there's no telling how long this thing has been down. I'll let it run and we're gonna wait and see. Alright, so I came outside because I wasn't getting any temp split, and this compressor is kicking out on high amps. I'm going to show you guys what I'm talking about. And just going to plug this contactor in. We're going to watch these amps right here, and we're going to watch them how high they go. Here, let's try again. 226, I think is what that said. We're just going to sit here and we're going to watch these amps again. Got 226 amps. Okay, so it's definitely a compressor's locked up. So I got this Super Boost from Supco. I'm literally just going to throw this on here just to see what happens. I'm either going to break it, which is already broken, or we're going to break this thing free and release it. And if it does work, I'm gonna probably strap this thing up somewhere. I think I'll go ahead and let it hang right there. Alright, you guys ready? Let's see if it breaks free. Of course it's in the way. Hold on. I'm gonna let it hang. Alright, let's see if I'm gonna put this here. We're going to watch these amps again. We're going to see if this thing breaks free. Look at there. It's running. It worked. He's running at 13 amps. So that's literally only when a hard start should be used. To break that compressor free, let it run. I don't ever just throw them on a unit that don't need them. That's literally the only time I use them. So we're going to let this run for a little while. I'm going to reorganize this, put this back together, and we're going to go check the temp split. Alright, so this is what I'm dealing with. I'm in this little closet. That fan's not kicking on to pull this heat out. And this heat it's hot in here. Like here, I'll show you. It is like 100, about 112 degrees in this closet. Condenser's feeling it. Subcool is low. Condenser's at 400 pressure. That fan's not working. I just turned the temp down. Look at the pressure drop. Subcool go up. That's crazy. How much of a difference that makes. Yeah, it's insane. Alright, so this one, to be honest, I've always knew this building is like this, and it's hard to even get a 15-degree temp split across that unit. I got it to like 14. Pressures are good as they can get. If I add any more, it's going to cause issues, so it's going to have to be like it is. In certain situations like this, you can only set it the best that you can set it and the conditions that it's in. But it's cooling. It dropped 4 degrees while I was fiddling with it, so it's doing what it needs to do. It's pulling humidity out. It's probably 80% humidity in that condo right now and 78 degrees, but I did what I can do. She's up and running, and sometimes you come across jobs like this and you can't completely fix it. That system is under warranty until 2027. I did look that up. But hey, hope you guys enjoy. Make sure you like and subscribe. I appreciate y'all. We'll see you on the next one.